a powerful voice, a brilliant mind, representing excellence, inspiring tomorrow.
Now, from Dwarka to Pitampura we come. We have Gurkirat Singh, 12th grader from KIT World School, Pitampura. Over to you, Gurkirat. And I would also like to thank Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia, the principal of KIT World School, Pitampura, New Delhi. Over to you, Gurkirat.
Thank you, sir. Respected Principal Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia, distinguished judges, honorable teachers, and organizers from EduTV. A very good morning to everyone. I am Gurkirat Singh from class 12th of KIIT World School, and today I stand before you to firmly support the motion artificial intelligence is enhancing every career, not replacing it. Ladies and gentlemen, every great revolution in history has sparked a fear before creating opportunities. When the Industrial Revolution introduced steam engines and machines, people believed human workers will become useless. Many even destroyed machines and fearing the unemployment. But what actually happened? The Industrial Revolution did not end human work, it transformed it. It created engineers, factory managers, designers, mechanics, transport specialists, and entirely new industries that have never existed before. Today, artificial intelligence is our generation's industrial revolution. The question is whether AI will replace us. The real question is, will humans who use AI will replace humans who refuse AI? The future we are walking into, according to the World Economic Forum, technological transformation is expected to create around 170 million new jobs globally by 2030, while displacing around 92 million jobs, resulting in net gain of approximately 78 million jobs, and that to those 92 million jobs will be updated in some other sort of work program that will be created using AI or any other field. Let's sink into technology. Technology is creating more opportunity than eliminating it. Why? Because AI is exceptionally good at its repetitive tasks, but it cannot replace real imagination. It cannot replace empathy. It cannot replace leadership. And it certainly cannot replace human values. Think about healthcare. Can AI detect disease from medical scans? Absolutely, yes, it can. In many cases, it identifies patterns faster than humans. And actually, not in many cases, almost in all cases. But when we receive heartbreaking news for a patient, will they seek comfort from a machine or a compassionate doctor? AI assess doctors' heals. Now consider education. Students who ask AI questions at any time of day, but who inspire dreams, who build confidence, who change lives. Teachers do. AI don't. AI provide information, teachers create transformation. Look at journalism. AI can summarize articles within minutes. But can it investigate corruption? Can it question powerful institutions? And can it stand fiercely for the truth? No, it can't. That remains the responsibility of courageous journalists. Now let us talk about business. Companies like Nick Jordan and BlackRock use AI to analyze millions of customer records in seconds. But who negotiates billion-dollar partnerships? Who inspire employees? Leaders do. AI process data. Humans can make decisions. Even in creative field, can AI generate music? Yes, it can. Can it generate paintings? Certainly. But can it experience heartbreaks? Can it celebrate victories? Can it dream? No. Emotions remain humans' greatest competitive advantage. History repeatedly proved that timeless truth. Technology never destroys human potential, it multiplies it. Calculator never replace mathematicians, camera never replace artisans, and internet never replace teachers. And AI will not replace professionals. It will empower professionals. The World Economic Forum also lists AI related careers among the fastest growing professional of the decade. Prompt engineers, AI specialists, machine learning expert, cybersecurity analysis. These careers barely existed few years ago. Today they are among the world's highest paying professions. This is not end of employment. This is beginning of new era of employment. Friends, the new future belongs neither to human alone, nor to machines alone. The future belongs to humans who know how to work alongside intelligent machines. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? We should ask, am I learning the skill that AI cannot replace? Because curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, communication, and compassion, these remain uniquely human strengths. Artificial intelligence may become more intelligent, but humanity must become wiser. As I conclude, I leave with you One powerful thought: the Industrial Revolution gave people stronger hands, artificial intelligence is giving people stronger minds. Machines can calculate, humans can imagine. Machines can predict, while human can inspire. Machines can automate, while human can innovate. So let us not fear the intelligence, artificial intelligence. Let us master it, because AI is not our competitor, it's our greatest collaborator. Together, humans and AI will build the future that is smarter, faster, and more innovative than ever before. And that's why I confidently say artificial intelligence is enhancing every career, not replacing it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Excellent, Gurkirat. Excellent. In fact, I'm impressed, and I think your thoughts and your views were, I think, very practical also. And you correctly said AI won't take up the jobs. People knowing AI better will take up the jobs of people who don't know AI or who are not learning. Don't know is a different thing, not learning. Thank you so much.
Join the EDU TV network. Connect, collaborate, inspire, and lead for schools, universities, and industry. Contact Tanya Sethi to participate.